Hi guys, welcome back. And today we're just gonna be looking at Ethereum and of course Omikami and Ryojin, and give you some thoughts of mine where I think we're heading. So yeah, from here around 17th of December we started staircasing down, as you can see, and this red trend line going down, that's the point we're touching, and we've kept on receding and going back on the chart. So down here is where we're at. So this is the 4 hour, yeah. 4 hour we're looking at now, and you can see we're still selling off here. Now this orange trend line, we're going to come to that in a moment. That is touch that. That is the bottom, guys. That is the bottom for Ethereum trend line. You see this orange trend line here, and we have dipped below it here, yeah. So we've dipped below it here. That was on the 10th of March here, yeah. We're just trying to go back up now, but I can see we're going to be ranging around here, and I can see from today, it's the 16th, we could be heading back down to touch it again along this line, and we can be going along this line heading up also. So we could do this. I'll just let you know here. I'll bring it back out for you. So that's yeah, somewhere in this vicinity we could be heading back up here around the 9th of April. Let me just bring up my map, my calendar, sorry. So here on the calendar, if we go to April, yeah, April. So the 5th of April, this is the moon cycle here below, you can see. So from the 5th of April, it will be changing. Sorry, this will be changing. So around here, we could, I'll just draw it out for you here. So we could go something like this and start heading up like so, and then reach this point here, and then come back down towards the end of April, start accumulating here. Let me just continue this along here before the deadline, guys. This is what I want to try and show you. The deadline is May, and I've got exactly around, say, the 10th of May, yeah, 10th of 11th of May, and that's when we should be seeing that God candle there for Ethereum and all the other Ethereum coins yet to follow. So I'll do that on a green, and I'm still gonna let you know about what that orange line was, because I have seen and other influencers talk about it, especially Lamado, whatever he's called, but he's a big holder on Omikami and Ryojin also. So let's just do this. So this orange line, guys, yeah, so let me just go back to here, yeah. So as I said, the point, last point here, 10th of May, 11th of May, roughly, guys. I will circle it for you. Remember that I'm circling it. This point here is where it begins the rocket ship to the moon, guys. Now, why do I say that? Well, say 10th of 11th of May here. Go back to the calendar, yeah? You know what, I'm a big believer in the moon and the moon cycles. Look at that. Around the 12th is the full moon. There you go here. So that should be, if we go back to here, the bottom here, you see, from around the 10th, 11th to 12th is the bottom here, yeah? So that should, if not go up straight away, accumulate a tiny bit, then go up. In May, we're going up, guys. That's all I've got to say, guys. In May, we're going up. So let's just go back to what I was saying about this orange line down here. So this orange line down here, I'm going to have to go to the daily now, because we're going to go all the way back, and I'll show you something here also. I don't know how the other Lamido, as I said, he done it, but this orange trend line is coming from way back down here. Yeah, way back down here. So it's coming from down here. Yeah, if you can see that, it's coming from all the way back down here. And that was the the virus dump, should I say, because I don't want to get banned or whatever. But that's the virus dump there in March, around the 16th of March. Remember that? In the middle of March, that was the dump, and that was the lowest we've been. And from that dump there, we have continued to go up. Yeah, it's hit this bottom. Now let me just go right into it here. So from that bottom here, you see that bottom here, remember that dump, as I said, the virus dump there, it's gone all the way down, and from that point onwards, yeah, that dump that we had back in March 20, you can see it's come up, bounced off it, gone up. It kept on going up. We've kept on going up here. This is Ethereum, by the way. Kept on going up. This line is continuous, yeah. We came back down here. You see that? We came back down here. Let's blow this up for you. We touched it, that wick there, and we've kept on going, rising above it. So we're still going, and we're still going here, and we're still going. Let's squeeze this in now. We're still going, and here we touched it again. We seem to be touching that and bouncing back off it. If we come below this, guys, that's it. That's it, because this orange trend line, as I said, is from back from 2020 here, and we touched this point again here. We've touched it here, there, on the 11th of March, and I can see ourselves, as I said here, touching this line here, from my green line here, touching this red trend line here for the last dump, guys, the last dump before May. We're going to start going up. We're going to start going up soon. I think after next week, say from next Thursday or whatever, we'll start going up. Yeah, it might come back down again. So listen to me, guys. It might come back down again and then start working its way back up to around the beginning of April. Then April, come back down. This last dump here is what we're looking at, guys. And then towards the end of April, May, you'll consolidate a bit. And remember, you've only got up until, I wouldn't even chance it that much. I'd say the beginning of May, guys. To play safe, the beginning of May. After that, you can take it into your own hands what you're going to do, because it's going to go up from there. Mark my words, it's going to go up. Yeah. So you've only got, what we're in now. We're in the 16th of March now, guys. Yeah. So 16th of April, you got 6 weeks. 6 weeks, guys, to save the most money you can. Whatever you do, if you're working, do the overtime. If you're not working, get a job. If you're working, get 2 jobs. But you've only got like a month's salary, or if, as I said, if you were working 2 shifts, 3 shifts, whatever, you've only got one more. If you get paid monthly, that is, you've only got one more time to put down, because in May, this is going up. So if you haven't got paid already, some people get paid different, times of the month. Like you've got the end of March and the end of April. That's it. That's it, guys. To be a millionaire, this is your last chance, man. We're not gonna keep going on about it. But I'm in Omikami already, and I'm in Ryujin already, and I've got a couple of quite a few meme coins. But if you don't know what to do, and if I was in the same situation and I didn't have anything and I'm still looking, I'm not too sure about Omikami and Ryojin. This you've only got a month, guys, because once Ethereum starts blasting off, that's the rest of the all Ethereum meme coins are going to blast off, especially Omikami and Ryojin. So what we're looking at now is Ethereum, and as I said, from around here, from the 10th to the 12th, it's going to hit that. I can't see it going underneath, guys. I can see it accumulating, and then we're off, guys. Then we are off. So that is my outlook on what's going to be happening here in Ethereum. And I've told you once, guys, and I told you more than twice. So yeah, this is the last chance, and even for me too, and people who want even more in their bags to fill up. Remember, it's going to go up here, so don't panic, guys. Don't panic. We can follow this chart with me. As I said, maybe towards the beginning of April, we can see the first week of April, we can see it going to go up here. Then it's going to do the very last dump in Ethereum before it accumulates. Remember, guys, it has to accumulate before it goes up. So it's going to do one more push up, one more back down, accumulate, and then that's it. Off to the races, guys. And then if you're left behind, it'll be tough. But if you're not left behind, you'll be good to make a lot of money this year here on Ethereum and your Ethereum coins, especially Omikami and Ryojin. Yeah. So okay, let's just go now to Omikami and see what's happening today in Omikami. So Omikami here. So we seem to be ranging here. This is the 2 hour. Yeah, we seem to be ranging here. See, we're going up, down, going along here. And if I just bring this, what's happened to it? Yeah, if I bring this along, I could see ourselves going up to here. As I said, we still didn't hit this blue line here. I said we would hit earlier and come back down. So we still didn't hit this yellow thick main trend line or the white one. So we could be going up now. Yeah, we could be going up now, something like this, if it still holds it. So we'll mark the trend line from here because it seems to be holding it. It seems to be holding it, guys. So yeah, I can see like so, and I'll just put it another color so you can see what color. That's a bit that's a bit dark, but yeah. So if it holds, so we're going to go here. So it's bouncing off this purple main trend line here, this mini one I've done here. You can see it's bouncing off it. It's bounced off it twice. So I will just put a little drawing in so it's easy to follow, guys. So we could be going bouncing, come maybe over that a little bit, and then trying again, and it's not working, and still our way down. So we'll give you that on our orange here so you can see. So yeah, I'll take these ones out because I was too early on these. Yeah, on these ones I'll take these ones out. So from here, because we don't want to be getting models. So this orange line here now is the one we're looking at to follow here on Omikami. Yeah, and from here we could even move that down here like so, because the way it's going, it's just taking so long for it to do anything, guys. You know, so here we'll follow this trend line here, guys. This purple trend line, it could be going up here, as I said, till next week, the middle or the end of next week, before it hits this yellow main trend line or this white one. It could even go up to here, but it's eventually going to come back down. And remember what I said, we still have a magnet line here at 2258 before it goes back up or goes back down the bottom end here on Omikami, guys. So watch that one. Remember, I'm not getting in till it comes right back down here. You can watch it go up, but we're going to be watching it come back down. Yeah, so no problem with Omikami. Yeah, we're on 27.84 million market cap, 1 million in liquidity, 11.23k holders, and 46k in volume. Okay, let's just have a look at Ryojin now, because we always look at the two together. Let's have a look at Ryojin. So Ryojin, now, what are we in? Where we are in 8.53 million, 490k liquidity, 9.7k holders, that's going up, and 34.74k in volume. So what happened here? So yeah, it's gone past, remember that purple trend line. We will still stretch this out because that's a good marker for us. And from the bottom here, it's staircasing up from around the 13th of March. So we want to do a trend line here, and to follow it, I will make this a brighter color, guys, don't worry. Yeah, so here on this one, guys, look, that's the trend line here. Let's get it to yellow because we don't want to be, yeah, so there, and I'll do my drawing where, in my opinion, I think it's going to go. I think we're going to go bounce and come back up, hit that, maybe go even over it, come back down, and then try again, and then head back down. Likewise, the same as Omikami here. I'll just put that in the what? No, I won't. I'll put that in there. Yeah, like so. So you can see, as long as we head above this yellow thin trend line going up, we're all good to go up. But it is going to come back down, guys. And what does that mean? That just means more money for you, more money for me to pump our bags down below. And I'll show you. Yeah, once it crosses this purple line here, we will be going down still. As I said, I know it looks a bit messy, but down here I've still got a lot of markers here down at the bottom here, so we still need to come down before we go up. And as I said, on the bigger picture in Ethereum, we're all following Ethereum, and you've only got till May, guys. So if you want to get into this Ryojin or Omikami either, your deadline really is the end of April. Because if you're getting paid at the end of April, that will be it. You'll just make it in time, guys, because from the 1st of May onwards, it's either going to accumulate. We're talking about Ethereum or Ryojin or Omikami. Yeah, they're going to start to go up, because I'm going to bring this over. I'm going to show you something else. You see this here? Look at this white thick main trend line here. End of April, see down here, beginning of May, that is the end. That is the end of that cycle. Yeah, this big triangle which we followed all the way from. I'm just going to give you the big picture now. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the big picture from the top to the bottom down here. End of April, beginning of May, that is the bottom, guys. That is the bottom of Ryojin. So I've told you yet again, Ethereum bottom, Ryojin bottom. Let's go back to Omikami. See if we can show you the same thing. Where's this Omikami now? When it come up, should be coming up. I didn't like that for some reason. Okay, Omikami here. Remember, still at 27 million. We've just gone up 1.11%. But look at this big picture on here. So the big picture on Omikami, yet again, I'll show you, all you out there that's interested. The top was up here. It's coming all the way down. This is all, everything's happening in this middle here. Yeah. But remember, Ryujin is a smaller market cap, and I said it'd probably pump first before Omikami. We're on 8 million or something. This is on 27 million, so it's more than double, 3 times as much. Yeah. May, you're down here. So let's just go into it a bit more, because I know you guys really want to see the in-depth detail on this Omikami. Yeah. So remember the yellow one, and now I've got a white one here as well. But look at this yellow one here. Let's just draw this over here as well. So this is his magnet line here. So there's a magnet line here, more going down. Excuse me. Yeah. So the 13th of May here, 8th of June down here, we're still going. So Omikami seems to be maybe guys, I'm not saying it's going to do this, all the way down here, but maybe it could be a month later. Yeah. Because here we've still got stuff going on here, all the way down here we still got stuff going on. So here, look, we've got around the 14th of May here, that'll be the high. So will it go pump from here around the 14th of May if it reaches these two? When it reaches these two, not if, I think when it reaches these two magnet lines, will it pump up over here? Or will it continue to go down to these really last bottom magnet lines here from the beginning of June, and then come out? I can see it somewhere down here, guys. That's just for future reference, guys. But you don't want to be, left behind. As I said, the very latest, get into your Omikami or get into your Ryujin by the 1st of May. Yeah, by the 1st of May. Because even if you are in and it goes down, all right, for another month, I'm talking about Omikami. Yeah, at least you're in. You've got a month for it to accumulate, and then it's going to rocket ship up to the moon. Yeah, and Ryujin probably in May, a bit before Omikami, because it's much less lower market cap. Yeah, so that's my take on the outlook for Omikami and Ryujin. I'll just leave you with that here. Any comments, guys? Tell me what you think. If you're still not sure to get in, I'll see if I can explain it a bit more to you. If you're in, just hold, guys. And if you're not in yet, just save up your money, guys. You've probably got 2 more pay slips or pay packages, whatever. If you're going to get paid monthly, that is, you've got the end of March and the end of April to put your money on Omikami and Ryujin. Not financial advice, but this is the only time, guys, you're going to be a millionaire. The only time in your life you're going to be a millionaire, guys. So I'm just trying to do the best for you and to everybody out there. This is a positive channel. We're going to bring positive vibes to everybody, and we're going to make it this time, guys. This is your only chance now. This is your really only chance now, guys. You've only got 2 months, as I said. Any way you can get some money, legally, of course. Yeah, any way you can put down some money on Omikami and Ryujin, just do that, guys. Just do it, because you don't want to be left behind. That's all I've got to say, guys. You don't want to be left behind. I've been in the same kind of similar situation before with these meme coins, and I didn't know what I was doing. I lost over 100k, guys, and I could be sitting pretty now, but no point looking back now. We're just going to look forward, and this is going to be your time, guys. You're going to be your time. You're going to do it. You're going to make it, guys. We're all going to make it. Anybody that's in Omikami and Ryujin are all going to make it, guys. So just stick with me on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I will see you back here real soon. Peace.